Young and I'm in one of the biggest electronics fair in the world. Of course, I'm not at Las Vegas, but I'm in Hong Kong. So today I'm here to show you guys what's going on and what are the cool products to find in Hong Kong Electronics Fair. Let's go! So a lot of products that I see in this fair is Bluetooth earphones, speakers, and I found something really funny. There's money all over. But how does it work? Is it like, it's like pulse?
Yes, electrical pulse.
Oh, I see. Ciao.
The Airwheel suitcase was very popular with the people, and you could also pick up a Maserati. Finally, I got to see Insta360's Evo, unlock, unlatch, and here you have 180-degree camera.
It's really clear. And this is only just the first floor and it's crazy big.
China being the biggest gimbal producer, its main players brought out their key items. Moza brought their latest release Aircross 2. Oh, I didn't know they made lights. I also visited Feiyu and tried out AK2000 on my Sony a6400 with Sigma 16mm lens. AK2000 had this spiritual window LED display which made control of the gimbal so much easier. You didn't really need to go into the app. At Zhuyun booth, I was interested in Crane Plus because it was so light.
Right now I'm using anamorphic lens. And look how cool it is. So now you can make a movie out of this on your mobile phone.
The Hong Kong Electronics Fair was so big, it had a huge section of startups. And there are other international participants such as Korean putting practice device maker and Japanese coffee machine imitating hand drip coffee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and next time maybe I might go to CES in the future, hopefully. So please do subscribe and like this video, and see you!